What? You don't own a Max roofer? Let me tell you why you should have one. The Max CN445R3 SuperRoofer has a patented tar-resistant nose designed to resist tar buildup 8 times longer than competitors' roofing tools. Less tar means less downtime. Its full round head driver blade prevents nail heads from curling up and delivers better holding power. Trust me, those shingles won't budge. The magnet in the nose allows you to use every nail in the coil and prevent potential jams. That solves the problem of wasted nails. One of the SuperRoofer's special features is a patented maintenance-free end cap filter. This filter captures foreign substances trying to creep their way into the tool and automatically ejects them when the air hose is disconnected. Keeping sand and dirt out of the tool extends the life of the tool. Come on, who doesn't like a durable tool? No tool is needed to control the depth when changing nail length. Gotta love that feature. The contact foot also has carbide inserts, which further increases its durability. This feature definitely gets a thumbs up. The Max CN445R3 SuperRoofer is the most powerful roofer on the market, going through more layers of roofing easily. Everybody likes more power. And last but not least, the CN445R3 SuperRoofer is equipped with this neat swivel fitting to stop the annoying tangling of the air hose. Don't get tangled up. Now that you know why the Max SuperRoofer is the best on the market, what are you waiting for? Go out and buy one today. Find a local dealer on the Where to Buy page at www.maxusacorp.com.